Ronnie Kutugar and myself for the occasional celebrations of the three events, Vishu, Eid and Easter. They are all religious or cultural celebrations that include family gatherings, specially prepared meals and sweets and sacred rituals. They also mark the transition, whether it is the beginning of a new year, Vishu, at the end of a long pilgrimage, that is Eid, or the resurrection of Jesus. എൻ്റെ ഹാർഡ് ഡിസ്ക് ഫുള്ളാണ്, അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാനതൊക്കെ വായിക്കണത് കേട്ടോ, ഒന്നും മണ്ടയിൽ നിൽക്കില്ല. Vishu marks the first day of the new astronomical year as the sun moves into the first zodiac sign of Aries and is a celebration of new beginnings and prosperity. It is the traditional Malayalam New Year in Kerala, and it involves rituals like the divine offerings of Vishu Kani and the distribution of Vishu Kainettam, giving tokens, money to children. Vishu Kani is a curated display of items including fruits, flowers, money and a mirror, and is the first thing you see when you wake up on the day of Vishu. Looking into the mirror is meant to represent looking into oneself to find God, signifying oneness with the supreme power. Eid. There are 2 Eid celebrations in each calendar year. Eid al-Fitr is a major Islamic holiday celebrated at the end of the Ramadan month of fasting. It is a day of gratitude to thank Allah for the strength and guidance during their fast and celebrating the completion of a month of devotion and self-discipline. Eid al-Adha follows 2 months later at the end of the month of Hajj pilgrimage. Eid celebrations involve special prayers, gatherings and visits of family and friends to foster goodwill and community spirit, the sharing of festive meals and the giving of gifts and giving a charity and those in need. Easter, this Christian holiday, marks the resurrection of Jesus Christ, which signifies hope and renewal in new beginnings and symbolizes the victory of life over death. Easter is always celebrated in April. Later, Lent, a 40-day period of abstinence and fasting. It involves special prayers, family gatherings, and the exchange of gifts, and often chocolate eggs symbolizing new life. I hope you will enjoy the day today. And thank you very much.